Welcome back to Product Critique. Today we are taking a closer look at what many consider the best Saferest Waterproof Mattress Protector. If you're searching for a premium quality zippered encasement that protects your mattress from spills, allergens, dust mites, and even bed bugs, then stay tuned, because this one may be exactly what you need. This Saferest Mattress Protector is designed as a full mattress encasement rather than just a fitted style cover. That means your mattress is sealed from all sides, providing true 360-degree protection. Whether you're trying to keep your mattress clean from everyday use or protect it from microscopic threats like dust mites and allergens, this complete closure design offers one of the most secure options available. Let's talk about one of the most important features: waterproofing. The Saferest Protector is 100% waterproof. Accidents, spilled drinks, night sweats, or unexpected leaks won't seep into your mattress. This barrier keeps your mattress clean and helps extend its lifespan by preventing moisture buildup and internal damage. Even with that waterproof technology, comfort hasn't been sacrificed. The protector uses a soft cotton surface designed to be breathable and quiet. Many cheap protectors sound plastic or crinkly when you move at night. Saferest focuses on a noiseless sleep experience so you don't even notice it's there. The breathable design also helps prevent overheating, making it more suitable for year-round comfort. Now let's talk fit and durability. This specific option fits a queen-sized mattress and works best with mattresses between 9 and 12 inches deep. The zipper is built strong and secure, providing a reliable seal. The stitching also feels sturdy, giving the impression that it's built to last and withstand regular handling. For anyone needing extra reassurance, the encasement format is especially useful when long-term mattress preservation is the priority. One of the biggest advantages is how easy it is to clean. The entire encasement is machine washable, so maintenance doesn't require special steps. Just remove it, wash it, and put it back on. This makes it a great choice for households with pets, kids, or anyone who prefers a clean and hygienic sleeping environment. Because of its protective features, this product is ideal for preventing damage from moisture, protecting against bed bugs, and reducing exposure to allergens like dust mites. If you deal with allergies or sensitivities, this can make a noticeable difference in sleep quality. So who is this mattress protector for? It's great for families, pet owners, renters, caregivers, and anyone looking to extend the life of a mattress. It's also useful for protecting new mattresses or revitalizing older ones by preventing further damage. To summarize, the Saferest Zippered Waterproof Mattress Protector offers full mattress encasement, 100% waterproof protection, quiet breathable fabric, durable construction, and easy cleaning. It delivers a strong combination of comfort and protection while remaining discreet during use, which is why so many households consider it a must-have bedding essential. If you found this breakdown helpful, make sure to like, subscribe, and stay tuned for more product deep dives here on Product Critique. Thanks for watching, and sleep comfortably.